Aligner tracking should be effortless, fitting into your life instead of taking over your day. Welcome to iTrack, an AI-powered remote aligner tracking feature that keeps aligners' progress monitored and on track. To begin, the dentist opens the app and taps the patient's icon on the bottom bar. Select your patient and tap View to enter their dashboard. Select Schedule iTrack. Here, you will enter case-specific details that define how the entire monitoring journey will run. Add the total number of upper and lower aligners that are prescribed for the case. Set the aligner change frequency in days. Enter the treatment start date. And input the total number of aligners delivered for both arches. The dentist can choose how often they want to receive scan updates from the patient. Once everything is set, simply click on Schedule. The iTrack plan is now activated. The AI-powered system automatically creates a complete tracking schedule for the patient. From here, everything works in sync like autopilot mode. The patient will receive timely reminders on their phone based on the schedule. The dentist can choose whether the scan must be done with or without the aligners. At each reminder, the patient needs to scan. Patients open the app and tap on Start Now on the iTrack tab to begin their journey with Scope360. They start by selecting their concern, answer a few quick questions about their aligners, and tap the button to start the scan. If the patient starts without aligners, they have to mandatory do this scan with aligners on as well. First, we'll prepare the Scope360. Open the elastic straps on the Scope360. Now, carefully slide it over the phone's rear camera, aligning the Scope360 lens directly with the phone's camera lens. Once aligned, secure the elastic straps firmly so that Scope360 should feel stable. Scope360 must be centered directly over the phone's camera lens. Any shift in position may affect scan quality. Now, the patient is ready to scan. The front screen should be kept outward. Stand upright and stay relaxed. The teeth should be bright and perfectly centered on the screen. Tap the screen to begin. For the front view, bite down and smile wide. The green tracking ball triggers an automatic capture once the alignment is correct. Follow the on-screen arrows. For the left view, turn your head to the right to capture the left side. For the right view, turn your head to the left to capture the right side of your teeth. For the upper arch, open your mouth slightly and tilt up. For the lower arch, open your mouth slightly and tilt down. And tap Submit. All the scans immediately reaches to the dentist in real time. It is as simple as this. In less than 1 to 2 minutes, the scan is done. Similarly, at each reminder, the patient must submit their scan. Once submitted, the dentist is instantly notified. The dentist can easily review the patient's progress using the uploaded images. The dentist adds personalized feedback directly to the report for the patient to review. If something requires clinical attention, you can quickly schedule an in-clinic appointment. Click on Action and select Schedule Appointment. An auto-generated message is ready, which you can review and customize before sending. Now tap on Submit. The patient is instantly notified. Ensure the treatment is progressing exactly as planned. This creates a continuous loop between the dentist and the patient. No missed follow-ups, just consistent real-time tracking. With iTrack, aligner monitoring becomes structured, predictable, and effortless. Distance is no longer a barrier. Stay linked to every patient's journey at every step, no matter where they are. That's iTrack. Aligner monitoring was never so simple and accessible for the clinicians and patients without a clinic setup. It's advised that you go through the tutorials of how to use iHealth and iTrack Live features. Because this is not just a feature, this is the future.